What if you could invest in one ETF that delivers solid dividends, strong companies, and long-term growth potential, all while helping you sleep better during market volatility? That's exactly why investors keep talking about SCHD. But in 2026, with markets changing fast, interest rates still uncertain, and technology stocks dominating headlines, many investors are asking one important question: is SCHD still the smartest dividend ETF to buy? Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about SCHD, including its strengths, weaknesses, dividend potential, and whether it deserves a spot in your portfolio this year. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this, and remember to comment and share. Let's get started. What is SCHD? SCHD, also known as the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, is one of the most popular dividend ETFs in the market. The fund focuses on high-quality US companies with strong financial health and reliable dividend histories. Instead of chasing the absolute highest yields, SCHD looks for companies with consistent dividend payments, strong cash flow, healthy balance sheets, sustainable payout ratios, long-term profitability. That quality-first approach is a major reason investors love this ETF. And in 2026, that strategy may matter more than ever. Why investors love SCHD? One of the biggest reasons SCHD stands out is balance. Many dividend ETFs either focus too heavily on income or too heavily on growth. SCHD tries to do both. It gives investors dividend income, dividend growth, capital appreciation potential, lower volatility compared to many growth funds. That combination makes it attractive for retirees, passive income investors, long-term wealth builders, beginners, investors seeking stability during uncertain markets. SCHD has also built a strong reputation for consistency. While no ETF is perfect, SCHD has historically delivered competitive total returns while paying a growing dividend over time. That's a powerful combination. The quality of SCHD's holdings. One thing that separates SCHD from weaker dividend ETFs is the quality of its holdings. The ETF typically includes large, financially strong companies from sectors like industrials, healthcare, consumer staples, financials, energy, technology. Some of the companies commonly found in SCHD include well-known blue-chip businesses with massive cash flow and durable business models. These are not speculative startups. These are companies built to survive economic downturns. And in uncertain markets, quality matters a lot. SCHD's dividend appeal. In 2026, dividend investing became extremely popular after years of market volatility and economic uncertainty. Many investors now want income that feels more reliable than depending entirely on stock price appreciation. That's where SCHD shines. Its dividend yield is often significantly higher than the broader market while still maintaining a strong focus on quality. But the real secret behind SCHD is not just the current yield. It's dividend growth. Over time, SCHD has shown strong dividend increases, which can help investors fight inflation and grow passive income faster. For long-term investors, that compounding effect can become incredibly powerful. Imagine reinvesting dividends for 10, 15, or 20 years. That's where wealth building really accelerates. SCHD versus high-yield ETFs. Now here's an important point. SCHD is not the highest-yielding ETF available. There are other funds offering much larger yields. But higher yield does not always mean better investment. Some ultra-high-yield ETFs sacrifice growth or take excessive risk to maintain those payouts. SCHD tends to avoid that trap. Instead of chasing unsustainable income, SCHD focuses on financially stable businesses that can continue paying and growing dividends over time. That's one reason many investors see SCHD as a safer long-term dividend strategy. SCHD versus growth ETFs. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Can SCHD compete with growth ETFs in 2026? Funds focused on technology and artificial intelligence have delivered explosive gains in recent years. And yes, during powerful bull markets, growth ETFs may outperform SCHD. But SCHD offers something many growth funds don't: stability. When markets become volatile, dividend-paying companies often hold up better than speculative growth stocks. That defensive nature can help investors stay invested during downturns instead of panic selling. And remember, long-term investing success is not only about maximizing returns. It's also about managing risk and staying consistent. The biggest risk with SCHD. Now let's be fair. SCHD is not perfect. One major risk is sector concentration. At times, the ETF can become heavily weighted towards specific industries like financials or industrials. If those sectors struggle, SCHD could underperform. Another risk is slower growth during strong tech rallies. When artificial intelligence stocks or aggressive growth companies surge higher, SCHD may lag behind. So investors expecting explosive short-term gains may feel disappointed. SCHD is designed more for steady compounding than rapid speculation. And that's an important distinction. Who should consider SCHD? SCHD may be a strong fit for investors who want passive income, long-term dividend growth, lower portfolio volatility, exposure to high-quality US companies, a more conservative investing strategy. It may especially appeal to investors nearing retirement or those building a long-term income portfolio. But younger investors can also benefit from SCHD through dividend reinvestment and compounding. The earlier you start reinvesting dividends, the more powerful the long-term results can become. Is SCHD the smartest dividend ETF in 2026? So, is SCHD the smartest dividend ETF to buy in 2026? For many investors, it absolutely deserves serious consideration. SCHD combines quality companies, strong dividend growth, reasonable yield, long-term wealth building potential, defensive characteristics during uncertain markets. Will it outperform every ETF every year? No, but investing is not about finding perfection. It's about finding strategies you can stick with consistently over time. And SCHD has proven itself to be one of the most reliable dividend ETFs available. That's why so many long-term investors continue buying and holding it. At the end of the day, SCHD represents something many investors are searching for in 2026. A balance between income, stability, and growth. In a world filled with hype, speculation, and constant market noise, SCHD offers a simpler approach focused on quality and long-term investing discipline. And sometimes, simple wins. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more investing and ETF content. And let me know in the comments, do you think SCHD is the smartest dividend ETF for 2026, or do you prefer another fund? This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor before making investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.